Story of Microorganisms Part 1. Story of Microorganisms. Some astonishing processes are a part of everyday life, like preparation of curd, rotting of food, or organic substance, bad breath, etc. Surprisingly, microorganisms are a reason to it. Leeuwenhoek also wondered on these things, but unlike others, he found the reason to it. Invention of microscope and discovery of microorganisms. Leeuwenhoek first made a simple lens which could magnify 300 times, and his curiosity wanted him to be first observer a drop of lake water, and he did it. Later, his observation helped him to discover small moving things in 1678, which he called animalcules, which was later known as bacteria. He observed a varied variety of organisms. Microorganisms and their everyday importance. As the name says, we cannot see them with our naked eyes, and thus we have to use a microscope. But to our surprise, when these same microorganisms form groups and live together, we can clearly see some of them without any help. Living in groups. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae are examples of groups of microorganisms. Not all microorganisms are harmful to us. Many are useful too. Bacteria. Though not all bacteria can be seen with naked eyes, some can be. Bacteria helps us to convert milk to curd. It is impossible to obtain curd without having bacteria in it. Industries producing curd have special sectors for the best growth of essential bacteria to boost their produce. The white scraping on your tongue after a long sleep is also bacteria. They also live in soil, bark of trees, all over our skin, and many other places. Fungi. Most found in the rainy season on rotten barks, wet surfaces, or around waste. They are usually green in color and also found in white patches on trees. They are harmful for crops. Algae. The greenish surface or tiny plant-like creatures growing in water bodies are algae. Algae like Chara, Spirogyra can be seen with unaided eyes. Many other different microscopic algae are also found in such water bodies. These can also be seen under a microscope. protozoa. Protozoa are also found in water and soil, but unlike others, they cannot be seen with naked eyes. You can only find them under a compound microscope. Some other microorganisms in soil. There are another type of microorganisms called microanthropods. These are very important for soil as they increase its fertility by decomposing the biomass in it. We can also find them on skin, eyelids, beddings, rugs, etc. Some of these cause diseases like scabies. Technically, these are not microorganisms but are minute arthropods, meaning joint-legged organisms.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.